What's going on, YouTubers? Alright, I got this from Amazon, reverse osmosis, very compact. Currently installing it. Here's what it looks like. Here's how tall it is. The reason I went and buy this is has a good review, so I'm gonna check it out. All the filters, the faucet. So here's what I used. I don't have my tools with me, so I have to go to the store and bought this one. It's for metal. It's for my starter. It's a quarter. And I went to AutoZone and got this step drill. So it works out over here. Drilled perfectly. What I was doing is I was pouring a little bit of water. It does come with a sticker, the instruction on how big the hole is. Anyhow, when I was drilling, it wasn't really centered, so when I finally broke hole, I just recentered the sticker and went from there. And I was going to use this for the soap dispenser. It was too big. I don't want this. I want this to be solid, secure, not spinning. So that's why I had to drill another hole here. It's actually broke, so I'm gonna get me a new one. But how did I put everything back? Just show you guys. Just follow the instruction. It's pretty simple. Cold water. It's right there. That's my cold water. Turn this off. This is the T-fitting that came with the filter. This is my feed line to the faucet. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's really simple. So then I put it on the feed line, and then this is for the drink tube. So right now I'm drilling the wastewater. So what I did is it's my dispenser, or this is my meat grinder, I guess, food processor, or I don't know what this is. But anyways, I went and go ahead and drill the top a little bit, so, and the smooth part. And what I'm planning to do is, everything here is self-explanatory on the instruction. Just have a little tip right there, quarter drill. Make sure you drill it control, so you don't go through your pipe. So that's it. And what I'm planning to do is bend this up just like that, like a little catch can, not catch can, P-trap, just like this. So that way any water from the sink that goes in here, it's not going to go into my system. So I'll just make it a little dip, pretty good dip, and then as long as it reaches the filter. That's pretty much it. Power. Fortunately, I only have 2 sockets here, so I'm gonna get me a adapter. And I really don't like how the outlet is exposed to all this water, so I'll be getting a outdoor receptacle cover just to be on the safe side. And future plan is to tee this off, drill a hole throughout my cabinet all the way down, back here, back there, come out of here, and it's gonna go through my fridge. So I do have the wire for it to do the job, but I need a special fitting for that. All right, and I'll make you a video on that one too. So if you guys trying to do the same thing, but other than that, I'll put everything back and catch you guys in a little bit. Okay, here we are. Got the power using the food incinerator. Oh, there you go. It's waste disposal. So got that one going on, purging. No leaks. Everything is good. Uh, I probably put the tube too high, just because when it's purging here, it's splattering here, and I'm doing 30 minutes. I'm trying to collect the water. Well, yeah, it's overflowing right now. Got this one going on, that one going on, but I think what I can do is prevent this from going, or I wasn't expecting that the water's going to be that hard, so I'm gonna probably push more line down till it bends down, so prevent it from backsplashing. But other than that, I'm just waiting for the DDS to have a readout and I'll be done. So thanks for watching. Alright, just real quick, I know every time I end the video I add more stuff, but okay, so pushing that, actually it's smoother. Try to push it to where it's not making a sound, so where the water is actually hitting the pipe. So, but yeah, other than that, that's about it. All right, this time, thank you, appreciate it.